UAE MOFA attestation process is very easy. I'm going to guide you how to attest your documents in UAE online in just 4 easy steps. So guys, start by typing MOFA attestation in your Google search bar. You'll see the search result that says mofa.gov.ae. I'll also leave the link in the description. Simply click on it. The UAE Ministry of Foreign Affairs website will open and you'll see this button here that says Start Service. Tap on the Start Service button and then log in into the UAE MOFA website using your UAE Pass. You don't have a UAE Pass? Do not worry. Get any of your friends who has UAE Pass. They can complete this process on your behalf. So guys, once you have logged in, here are a few important things that you need to keep in mind. 1. You'll be able to attest all official documents including certificates and commercial invoices. Where would you like to do your attestation from? We have attestation inside the UAE and attestation outside UAE at a UAE embassy or a consulate abroad. Where do you want to attest your documents from? Let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to help you get your document attested online. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let us select attestation in the UAE. Now, a new window will be open where you have to select the type of delivery. Click on the drop-down menu and then select the first option, which is carrier services. Then click on the next button. As you can see on the screen, we're going to complete this UAE MOFA online attestation process in just 4 easy steps. Step number 3 is the most important step. I'll show you how to do it, but let's start with step number 1, which is filling the form. As you can see here, you can attest more than just one document all at once. Okay, but the maximum number of documents for attestation will depend on your carrier selection, which I'll show you in a minute. First, you have to select the document category, individual affair documents or personal certificates. The second category is commercial documents and then invoices. Individual affair documents or personal certificates are our main focus of this video. These include education certificates, marriage certificates, police clearance certificates, birth certificates, death certificates, and many more. So select personal affair documents, scroll a little bit down and then submit. Now you can start entering the document information. Click here on the drop down button and select the origin of your documents. We have 2 options, issued from UAE or issued from outside UAE. I'm going to show you how to attest a document issued from outside UAE, step by step, but briefly, let me show you how to attest a document issued from UAE. Once you have selected issued from UAE, scroll a little bit down and enter the number of documents you want to attest. You will see this question here below. Is this document attested by the necessary governing authority or ministry in the UAE? If you select no, you will see that you cannot proceed with this document attestation. So make sure that the document you want to attest is valid and already attested by the relevant ministry. Though there is an exception, some documents like the police clearance certificates don't need prior attestation with any other ministry before you attest them here on the MOFA website. So all you have to do is tap yes. Guys, there is one thing you need to keep in mind. You'll have to select a delivery company that will come and pick up your document that you want to attest, and then will deliver it back to you once it is attested. So to select your delivery company, tap on the add button. As you can see on the screen, we have Aramex, Emirates Post, Tausia, and Jazer. All these companies are good. They'll pick up and deliver your document back to you for a small fee, as I'm about to show you. Before I show you how to select the best delivery company and also complete payment so that they can come and pick up your document, let's first see how you can attest a document that was issued from outside UAE. For example, if you want to attest your home country education certificate or even your transcript, go back to the main menu. Again, make sure to choose individual affairs document as your category. Click here on this drop down menu and then select issued from outside UAE. A new tab will open up below where you have to enter the document origin country. You can easily type your country name here and then tap on it. Enter the number of documents that you want to attest. Let me put one here. You will see this message below again, whether your document is already attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in your country, and also if already attested by the UAE Embassy in your country. Remember, in order for you to attest a document that is issued from outside UAE, it must first be attested by the Embassy of UAE in the issuing country. Once you are sure that your documents are already attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in your country and the UAE Embassy, go ahead, tap on yes on both the questions, and then to add your delivery company, tap on the add button. As I have told you earlier, all these delivery companies are very good. In just 3 working days, they will be able to pick up your document, take it for attestation, and then deliver it back to you. Personally, let me select Tauzir here. Okay, scroll a little bit down and you will see the delivery type, which is regular, and again 3 business working days, and the fees, which is 30 dirhams. So again, tap on this delivery type and now go ahead and enter your address details. Also enter the preferred document pickup date. Review this information, and once you are satisfied that it's all correct, tap on the submit button. This message will pop up on your screen asking you whether you are sure you want to submit this form. Simply tap on yes. Immediately you'll receive a confirmation email, and as you can see on the screen, your reference number for this application will also be revealed. Now that our form has been filled and submitted, let us move on to the next step, which is the payment. Guys, as you can see on the screen, the delivery fees are not refundable in case you request to cancel this service, or in case MOFA rejects your attestation requests. So scroll a little bit down, you will see the fees for attestation of your certificate, which is 150 dirhams. You will also see the delivery fee and the company you're going to use, which is Tauzia, with a fee of 30 dirhams. And at the bottom here, you will see the total amount, which is 180 dirhams. Read through the terms and conditions and then acknowledge in order for you to proceed to the payment. Click on the pay button. Wait for a few seconds while your payment window loads up. Then enter your card payment details. For those of you guys who don't have a bank account and a debit card in the UAE, I'll attach the video on the screen on how you can open a zero balance account on the spot. As you can see here, the MOFA website also offers other payment options like Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, PayBuy, and Google Pay. So make a payment using your preferred payment method, and that is it, guys. That's how you get your documents attested on the MOFA website in the United Arab Emirates. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.